Hi there, Joey from PowerhouseAffiliate.com. Today I'm going to share how affiliates are making thousands of dollars every single month with Nutra offers. I'm going to talk about the top 3 strategies on how to do this. I'm going to show you where to get the offers, and I'm going to show you live examples of people doing this right now. So this video is going to be jam-packed with information for anyone looking to make money online as an affiliate marketer. If you like that kind of content, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon, and also please comment or like this video and share it with your friends if you think they'll enjoy it. Now let's get into this video and show you exactly how affiliates are crushing Nutra offers online. So the first step in running Nutra as an affiliate marketer is you must know how to run these offers without losing an ad account. Basically, a lot of affiliates come in and they start running affiliate offers, and in particular Nutra, which is weight loss or beauty, any of these types of offers, and they start making bold claims. And the second you make bold claims, you're likely going to lose your ad account. So I'm going to show you some resources and strategies on how to avoid that, and some ideas on how you can start doing this yourself so that you can earn long-term income from the Nutra niche. So step 1 is we need to find affiliate offers in this space. The secret is finding countries that other people aren't running in and finding offers that will work in those countries. And I have the source for you in this video. Let's talk about it now. The network is called Dr.Cash. If you haven't heard of it, it is one of the top networks in the world for Nutra and beauty offers. They have a ton of offers, from trials to cash on delivery, and you can get access to all of their offers. Even if you're a newbie, they welcome newbies and they train people on how to run their offers compliantly, as well as how to run them on places like Facebook, where a lot of people lose their accounts. So we're going to talk about these strategies now, and I'm going to talk about 3 of the top strategies, and I'm going to save the best for last. So let's get into my computer and let's talk about this now. Dr.Cash is a CPA affiliate network with thousands of offers around the world, and they cater to affiliates pretty much anywhere. So it doesn't matter where you are, you can sign up to their network. You can see they have a ton of offers here. They have Nutra, but also beauty offers and some adult offers. And they do have a lot of information on how you can run these offers. This is a great way to get into a CPA network in one of the top industries in the world, which is Nutra and beauty. Now, they recently sent me an email with some of their top case studies. You can see here some of them with thousands of dollars in profit and ROI, all explained in here in different countries. So you can see here, this one is in India, this one's in Turkey, Poland, Philippines, Poland. This is the secret to making it work as an affiliate. Not focusing on the United States every single time you run a campaign, but start looking at different areas of the world. They have a YouTube channel, the Dr.Cash YouTube channel. More great content here if you're looking to get into this further. You can see they have more case studies, and they talk about spy tools and other strategies that we're going to touch upon in this video now. So let's talk about the top 3 strategies that affiliates are using when we're running Nutra offers. The number 1 way that a lot of people are doing it is by using Facebook ads. Now, if you're just starting out and you just got a fresh new Facebook ad account, do not just go into Facebook and fire up your first campaign and start running diet and Nutra offers. Trust me, it's a big mistake. You're going to lose your ad account if you don't do this properly, okay? I would actually, in fact, recommend you come over here and look at their videos here on the Dr.Cash channel. Talk to your ad rep and first learn about the Facebook ad pixel. And maybe if you're looking into some more advanced strategies, you might want to look at some of the other videos here on the channel, okay? Just be sure you don't go into Facebook and fire up your ads without first understanding their rules, because a lot of people make that mistake. Now you can see here, this is an ad, it's sponsored, and it is a weight loss ad. And that is basically how affiliates are crushing Nutra. But let's say you don't have a Facebook account and you don't want to go through that whole process of setting up ad accounts and all of that stuff that's required. Number 2 on my list would be running YouTube ads. Now, I am a member of the VidTao group, where I get to see some of the information, as well as they have a spy tool on YouTube ads, and they have a lot of great information in their newsletter. if you're looking to get into YouTube ads, I highly recommend you check out the link in my description for VidTao. You can get a free trial. You can try it free and join their newsletter. And you'll see here in one of their recent newsletters, there is an example of a 10K a day Nutra video sales letter. Now they get this data from their own software that kind of studies what other YouTube ads are doing. They look at the amount of views, they calculate how long that ad has been running, they show you those ads, and then you can look at them for examples and an inspiration in creating your own videos. Now, of course, the way the world has been going with AI and ChatGPT, you could simply grab an offer from inside Dr.Cash, find which are their top offers easily, and then come over to a place like ChatGPT and ask it to write you a script about this particular offer and tell them to write you a YouTube ad. Now we have some more information about that strategy inside Powerhouse Affiliate Forum. If you go to powerhouseaffiliate.com, we talk about some ideas you can use to get ChatGPT to write you some amazing YouTube ads so that you can start running YouTube ads to your Nutra offers. Now this is a little easier than Facebook, but you still have to make sure you are not breaking too many rules with Google and YouTube ads. So make sure you're following the policies or else you will also lose your ad account, which brings me to my third and final and favorite method, especially for new affiliates. If you want to make money in the Nutra space, then you should definitely be checking out native ads. Native ads is one of the easiest ways for affiliates to get started because you're not going to lose your ad accounts. You're more likely to get approved for some more aggressive types of advertising, and you can run your ads to good landing pages like advertorials, as well as some really quick hit landing pages that send people directly to the offer itself. So my recommendation here is to come into Dr.Cash network. First, find your top 5 offers or ask them here through their chat and support. Find the top 5 offers you want to run. They have everything from pain relief to Nutra, to male enhancement, diet, skincare. All of those are top industries for native ads. And you can see here, then when you come into a tool like Adplexity, you can come over here and filter by country. So you can check out what are the top offers running in India, Malaysia, Thailand. All of those countries are available through that CPA affiliate network. And then you can just type in what you want to find on the landing pages, find the ads and the landing pages. Then next, what I would highly recommend is you not just jump into native ads without understanding how they work. One of the best tools for running native ads is the optimizer.io. This is a tool that allows you to automate your bidding and placements. So when you set up your ads on a native ads network, you're going to get a bunch of placements coming into your campaign that could be eating up all of your budget. With this tool, the optimizer, you can actually automatically block publishers and placements based on certain data. Like if they're not clicking through your landing page after so many clicks, you immediately pause that. And you get aggressive with your rules so that you can block all of the bad placements and only run your traffic on good placements. So I would highly recommend you check this out. They do have a free trial with the link down in the description. I would be using a tool like this every time I'm running native ads now, because now you can start automating your bidding. So if you're going to run native ads, check out places like Outbrain, MGID, Taboola, Rev Content. All of those are top networks, but there's also some really good new ones coming up the ranks that a lot of people haven't tapped into yet, and you can usually find some great cheap traffic, especially if you use a tool like Adplexity that shows you also where these traffic sources are. You can see here over on the left, you can see traffic sources, tons of different ideas for affiliates to run Nutra campaigns. So just as a recap, step 1, find your offers through Dr.Cash for Nutra around the world with tons of different offers in different countries. And they do accept new affiliates. Choose a traffic source. If you're just starting out, I would not start with Facebook. I would look at a place like native ads first to learn the tracking, learn how everything works. Get a tool like Adplexity and make sure you understand how all of the traffic is working and how affiliates are actually running these offers. Later on, you might want to scale in YouTube or Facebook or even TikTok, but TikTok is getting very strict, so be careful there as well. Hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions, post them below or check us out in the forum at powerhouseaffiliate.com, where we do share a lot more information about running campaigns as affiliate marketers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.